I think they need to, when they come in, they just need to see that everything's okay, and it's nice and clear for them. I mean, these chaps have come in from up in the northern hemisphere. They've just endured 9.5 days non-stop, 12,000 kilometres. So, you know, it's nice to have a nice home ready for them. So that's what makes it worthwhile.
So we've got our students on their level 4 certificate in horticulture, so they're studying horticultural production and landscaping. And the idea of the course is that this semester they have a unit on work placement. So they're quite used to doing pruning and vegetation management, but in this kind of terrain it's a whole different challenge really.
When I see the job, I think it's very hard, and possibly I feel like we can't do. But when I did, it's not too much difficult because we did doing work in a group.